Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accommodate. 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 Accommodate is a verb that means to provide lodging or make arrangements to fit the needs or preferences of someone or something. It's often used when discussing the act of adjusting or making space for someone or something. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the hotel can accommodate up to 200 guests, making it suitable for large events and conferences. Why accommodate is used in example number 1. Accommodate is used to describe the hotel's capacity to house or provide for up to 200 guests, emphasizing its suitability for sizable gatherings. Example number 2, the flexible seating arrangement in the classroom can accommodate both individual study and group discussions. Why accommodate is used in example number 2. Accommodate is used to convey the idea that the seating arrangement can be adjusted to suit both individual study and group discussions, highlighting its adaptability. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.